Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. And today in my video I'm going to teach you Song Dynasty. So let's start. Song Dynasty, the time period of Song Dynasty was 960 to 1279. First of all, there is an introduction of Song Dynasty. The Song Dynasty was imperial dynasty of China. Song Dynasty is divided into two periods. Northern Song 960 to 1126, Southern Song 1127 to 1279. The dynasty was founded by Emperor Taizu of Song. The first half of this era, when the capital was located at Bianliang, modern Kaifeng, is known as the Northern Song period. In 1125, the Jurchen, a semi-nomadic people from Northeast Asia, invaded Song China and captured the capital at Bianliang, modern Kaifeng. They established their own dynasty in the north. The Song court re-established itself the south in Hangzhou, where it continued to rule for another 150 years as the Southern Song dynasty. Song painting, the golden age of Chinese painting. There was a painter, Emperor Huizong, who set out to make his court a center of visual art. He collected 5,000 paintings in one of the earliest of the national galleries and formed an academy. To all this, there was the parallel development of religious painting, revealing and beautiful in its own way, and of portrait art. An important expression of Song unification after the violent Five Dynasties period 907 to 960 was the emergence of a distinctive style of court painting. Landscapes with figures which led into genre painting eventually. In the other hand, there were masters who were devoted to flower studies, bird and animal, and still life paintings. To all this, there was the parallel development of religious painting. Northern Song is famous for landscape painting, one of the most beautiful expressions of Chinese art. In these landscape pictures, they depicted the great mountain which towered above anything else. Song pottery. These painters and poets were also great lovers of ceramic art, for a beautiful vase like a piece of jade was at the same time a poem and a painting. There were kilns all over China working with different glaze and glazes. Among the most famous were those producing the crackled huanware and the rare jewel porcelain like the creamy white tinge-ware or the pale blue Qing ware. Baisong ceramic art is especially rare and valuable because most of the imperial kilns, including the famous Yu kiln, were located in the north. The southern Song also witnessed the further development of glazed and translucent Chinese porcelain as well as enameled celadon sculpture. Stone sculpture contains an extensive display of Song era Buddhist statues and other sculptures, which includes representations of Buddha as well as bodhisattvas and other better dressed in lavish robes. Architecture. Song architectures was characterized by the tall buildings. A number of six-sided or eight-sided brick or wood pagodas will survive from the Song era. So, this is all about the Song Dynasty, and hope you have understood the topic discussed in the video today. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification of my next video. Please like and share it with your friends. Stay tuned and stay connected.